Subram Jade Gardens is a seamless integration of nature and man-made structures throughout our project. Fine living is blended with a healthy, sporty and calm lifestyle at Subram Jade Gardens. The project is close to Nagasandra metro station located in Doddabidarakallu, Bangalore Northwest. It is just 5 minutes away from Nagasandra metro station and 1.5 km away from Christ University and Pina Industrial Hub. It is in pure residential locality and in the neighborhood of HMT layout. This project is just 4.5 kilometers to the nice road Tumkur Road Junction and 2.5 kilometers to the nearest hospital, while also having great connectivity with the rest of the city. It is in close proximity to many international schools and colleges like Chaitanya, Jindal, Saptagiri, Ganga International, Nurture, Euro, NPS, DPS, Red Hills, etc., making it a gem of its kind. With the latest amenities and other incredible features like gym, multi-purpose hall, landscaped garden taking you closer to nature, kids play area, swimming pool, basketball court, football court, tennis court and an amphitheatre. This project has space for the indoor games like table tennis, carom, snooker and many more. It also has creche to take care of the young ones at the clubhouse. Outdoor amenities include jogging track, visitors bay, gazebo, meditational corner, senior citizens area and medicinal plantations. Subram Jade Garden keeps you closer to nature in every aspect. Keeping in mind your family's safety, this project offers CCTV surveillance and 24/7 security. There is enough and more for every generation. This project offers you 1 BHK, 1 BHK plus study, 2 BHK, 2 BHK plus study and 3 BHK in a super built up area of 721 square feet, 1261 square feet, 1566 square feet and 2507 square feet respectively. With the belief of building homes that are luxurious, need not be costly, live a luxurious life at a pocket-friendly price at Subram Jade Gardens. Project which is less densely populated and has 70% greenery. Homes that lets abundant light and well ventilated, which has 360-degree open space. Say goodbye to pigeonhole flats and come celebrate the life at Subram Jade Gardens. Here is a chance to upgrade your lifestyle with Subram Builders today.